So this year at BoxLock is all about focusing on prioritizing the solutions that meet our customers' most pressing needs. We're really embracing the idea of being able to lock anything, log everything, and then automate that with an acute focus on the needs of our contractors and industrial distributors. You're going to see some new software products this year that are designed with our customers' input, with your input. You're going to see solutions we're offering today get better as we turn them into full-blown product offerings. Those features are going to get more complete, easier to use, and we'll just keep improving them. Today we've got a new release of BoxLock Control. This release is the start of that journey as we're releasing our lockout tagout product, which we'll publish a separate video. We also have new firmware that improves performance and reliability of the devices. We're prepping another firmware update that adds features for better self-coverage diagnostic, greater control over alarm mode, and some minor improvements based on your feedback on the LED signals to help make it easier to understand what that device is doing. We'll publish a video on how to update your firmware in there. We've made the devices better, right? We've now certified the devices for IP66 rating, which means they're impervious to dust and really aggressive jets of water in all directions. You know, we're going to continue to make some improvements there to make that even better and more reliable in the most adverse weather conditions. In BoxLock Control, in this release, we're making way for our new products, and there are 3 meaningful updates that are in there. One, we're adding location types. Our first lockout tagout type is live. We've added delivery points for supporting our job site delivery solutions, and we'll soon be adding in will call, which many of you are already using today. We've added some new sharing capabilities for Control It that are live now on our lockout tagout solution. We'll be rolling those out to other location types and other Control It's in the coming weeks and months. Third thing we've done is cleaned up the formatting on trackables. We're moving some of the less needed information to a new details tab. We're making the activity tab more prominent in there in the default. You'll also see we're going to be more purposeful about which of those widgets are displayed at the top of the trackable on different trackable types. We've also gone in and cleaned some things up. We've fixed some bugs, fixed some errors. We've disabled some features that were causing confusion, and we're working on some updates for how we're organizing and navigating locations and location groups to make it easier to be able to understand how to align your organizational structure with the way that you're managing information in BoxLock Control. So we're really excited about that. This is our update for this release. We're going to try and post videos like this along with the release notes more frequently, and we look forward to your continued feedback.